7, George Robert, 34J, 7GR, Missouri. 25 Missouri.
33, we're still traveling westbound.
That's correct, D33.
Yeah, I'm 1037.
Good night, Trey.
See, that's what I see. Westbound, speed 107.
215 westbound, speed 107.
Speed 212 westbound, speed 109, they just about hit a car in the slow lane.
212, 109, just about hit a car in the slow lane.
State message, Illinois for 202.
TVI.
TVI.
211.
211.
Still going.
Still going.
211 westbound, still going.
211 westbound, still going.
213, 47.
213, D30.
Speed's 100. Still traveling westbound.
Still westbound.
210, speed 112.
Are we flagging or TVI?
And so they're waiting at the 202.
TVI unsuccessful.
We can try TVI.
TVI unsuccessful.
Speed's 117. We're at the 209.
209, speed 117.
We're up to 120.
120. TVI.
We're coming to a stop.
Coming to a stop.
Let me see your hands! Let me see your hands! Put your hands in the air! Put your hands in the air! Both hands in the air! Both hands in the air! With your left hand, open the door! Step out with your hands in the air. Hands in the air. Step out of the vehicle with both hands in the air. Felony. Both hands in the air. Step out of the vehicle.
Coming up on you.
Turn around. Turn around. Walk back towards me. Turn around. Stop. Turn around. Walk back towards me. Hands in the air. Walk back towards me. Walk back towards me. Keep walking back towards me. Keep walking back towards me. Keep your hands in the air. Stop. Get down on your knees. Keep your hands on the back of your head. Drop your cell phone. Drop your cell phone. Drop your phone. Right now. Still a passenger in the car. Put your hands on the back of your head right now or I will tase you.
Please, I'm trying to tell her the location.
Put your hands on the back of your head or I will tase you. Passenger, keep your hands in the air.
Stop. Scoot back. Walk back on your knees. Come back. Come back. Stop. Stop. Put your hands behind your back. Right now. Put them back.
Go.
I got them blocked. Come back. Come back. Keep on coming.
Let me know you're ready. Passenger! With your right hand. With your right hand.
I have my keys.
Open the door.
Yeah.
Come out with your hands in the air. Hands in the air as soon as you come out.
I was scared.
Hands in the air, both of them. Side step to this side.
Right now.
Side step to the left. Both hands in the air. Stop. Turn around. Walk backwards towards me with your hands in the air. Right here on the mirror.
Just keep them on.
They're on.
Keep them on.
Right here on them. Keep coming. Drop what's in your left hand. Drop it. Walk back towards me. Stop.
My child's in the
Stop. You got it. Just take 2 steps backwards towards me. Stop. Don't move. Who else is in the car?
My kids.
How'd you go?
How's your kids?
My child
My
in the
kids
car.
is 8 months and 3. That's why I'm trying to call my mom to get them. Because I was headed home. Mom, are you on the way? I just dropped the
We're
pin.
1015 times 2. Still haven't cleared the car.
Oh, man, why you do this shit for, baby? I'm doing big.
You got this.
That's all that's in the car, kids, right?
Yes, sir.
Right, kids?
You good? I'll clear the car. Good? City. All clear, 1015 times 2. They got 2 little kids in the car. You start me. Small 1011. The other one's itty bitty.
Gotta make sure.
you send 1016 to check this vehicle? 10-4, can you start me at 1016?
10-4.
Then I talked to my mom. She on speakerphone trying to get my kids.
Hold on. Stay right there.
Put them in my car and I'll get out.
Go for 30.
Last location I had was 209 westbound. That's for your current location.
10-4.
Break. Put the baby.
Put the baby in the back seat.
No, put it. I want the baby up front so I can see.
Okay.
Let me sit you down for just a second. Okay. Let me turn the light on.
What is it? Is this your baby sister or brother? Huh?
Where's the time?
33, Fort City. I got no damage. 33 to 1. I'll give you a 21 as soon as we get situated. I'm trying to get these kids in 30's car. Sit down right there. Get down.
They ain't hurt.
One's an infant and probably the other 3 or 4.
My kids. I'm not going to leave my kids.
Actually, going into contact.
Can I? She's trying to get to.
Alright, man, you got to sit down.
I'm gonna leg hurt.
It's okay, so put the pressure off your leg, man. Okay. Just sit all the way down, man. You're fine. I got an ambulance coming to check all y'all out.
Alright.
Anything in the car I need to know about?
No, sir.
Alright, read your rights. Both of y'all listen to me. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used against you in a court of law. You have the right to an attorney if you cannot afford an attorney. Won't be important for you. Government expense. You have the right to have your attorney present during any and all questioning. You have the right to stop answering questions anytime. Do you understand?
Yes.
Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
What's going on? What's this about?
I mean, you read the tags. It goes to a Range Rover, right?
Is the car stolen?
No, that's not stolen. Let me explain. For one, the Range Rover belonged to my mother that's trying to, be on her way to get my keys.
Okay, so listen to me. Let me tell you
I'm
something.
finna catch a cramp. I need to
Lay down,
get
sit
help.
down.
I'm trying to.
Listen to me. You know what that ticket that is?
Child endangerment. One of them, I know.
No, I'm talking about.
Oh,
I'm talking about if you would have pulled over and let me write you a ticket.
Yes, sir.
It would have been a ticket and you would have been on your way. Now you're facing felony fleeing, felony endangerment of endangering the welfare of a minor times 2. Okay?
Damn, bro.
And you could have pulled over and got a ticket.
I told you that shit, baby.
Pulled over and got a ticket.